A lot of you guys have asked me, how do I practice effectively to get better at cubing? So today, here's an inside look at my practice techniques. I start off the day by learning new algorithms. Guess I'll learn some OLLs. Prime F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, R. Got it. Then I make sure I set some new personal bests. Close enough. Yeah, I'm not counting that. Close enough. Okay. I messed up, that would never happen again. Oh, yes. Whatever. Yes. PB average of 5. Let's go. Remember, if you don't share your PB with everyone, then did it really happen? Alright, next I practice some other puzzles to see what happens. Why do I practice 7x7? Well, that's the world record. Wow, did you see that? A 2-move reduction to reach 3x3 stage. It was even a 4x4 scramble. Okay, the next part is really important. I don't practice 2x2 a lot, but sometimes a 4-move 2x2 scramble shows up in competition, and I need to be ready just in case that happens, because anyone can get world record on it. Then I pretend like it's an official competition and try to get the world record. I only get one chance. Ready. Next, I'll learn some more algorithms. What? Wait. This is too confusing. I guess I'll just keep doing it my way. And I'll set some more PBs. Wow, that solve didn't even feel that fast. Another really important one, this is what I like to call the world record drill. That wasn't world record. Nope. I thought it went past. I actually could have beat it this time. I know I'll get there one day. Yes! What? No! How does that even happen? Look ahead is mighty crucial, my friends, so I make sure to practice turning slower to reduce my pauses. I paused. Now that I've practiced everything, it's time to get serious and simulate a competition environment.
8 seconds. 12 seconds.
Okay, that's too much pressure. Ready. No. If that goes well, I'll practice my world record celebration. You know, just in case I get world record. Let's go! Yes! I don't like this one either. Yes! Thanks. Yeah, it was no biggie. Oh, you need an autograph? Of course. That gets me feeling really ambitious, so I'll go learn some advanced techniques from the master himself.
R prime, F, R prime, B prime, R prime. And then to solve this this extended cross, we can just do it like this. So L2, U2, L2. First pair, these two.
I'll never be that good anyway. Oh my god, what's gonna happen? I can't look. So, if you do everything right, this is what your solves could look like. Yes! You should now understand exactly how I can practice so effectively, and I hope you're just as excited to implement these practice techniques into your routine. Remember, if you're not setting PBs, you're wasting your time. Good luck. I just learned this. Why can't I remember? Okay, it started with F, R, no. I'll just delete this.